Telling the time. A clock. It is analog clock. As you can see, there is number 1 to 12 on the clock face. It has 2 hands. We called the shorts hand in our hand, and the long hand is minute hand. When the minute hand is pointing to number 12 to clock face, we say it is something o'clock. The number are the hours hand is pointing to, we tells hours we are in. Right now the hour is pointing the number 3. So the time on the clock is 3 o'clock. This is called a digital clock. The digit on the left, what tell us the hour we are in. The digit on the right tell us how many minutes have passed the hour. The time on the analog and digital are says 3 o'clock. Since there are 60 minutes in 1 hour, let's have a look what's happened when the minutes hand moves clockwise around the clock. The minutes hand is pointing to the 12, so it's something o'clock. The hour hand is pointing at the number 1, so the time is 1 o'clock. Go for next example. What is the time? It's 4 o'clock. What is the time? It's 7 o'clock. Telling the time. Half past. This is an analog clock and it has 2 hands. The long hand is minute hand and short hand is hour hand.
When the minute hand points at 6, it is half past the hour, because minute hand has moved halfway around the clock by then. Also, hour hand points exactly halfway between 2 numbers when it's half past. Okay, let's try to figure out what's the time in this analog clock. The minute is pointing at 6, so it's half past the hour. Now, half past what? The hour hand has moved halfway from 9 towards 10. Exactly halfway between 9 and 10. So, it is half past 9 or 9:30. Let's take another example. Try to figure out what's the time in this analog clock. The minute hand is pointing at 6, so it's half past the hour. Now, half past what? Our hour hand has moved halfway from 1 towards 2. Look at the dotted line. That's pointing exactly halfway between 1 and 2. So, it is half past 1 or 1:30. Good. So what have we learned? We have learned when the minute hand points at 6, it is half past the hour. Now, half past which hour? It is half past the hour towards which the hour hand has moved halfway. Also, we have 2 ways of telling the time to the half hour, like
it is half past 2 or 2:30. Let's go for the next example. It is half past 3 or 3:30.
Telling the time. Quarter past. This is an analog clock and it has two hands. The long hand is minute hand and short hand is hour hand.
When the minute hand is pointing to the number 3 on an analog clock, we say it is quarter past something, as the minute hand only traveled 1/4 of the way around the clock. If you look at the hour hand, it has just passed the num 12. So this means the time on the clock is quarter past 12. On a digital clock it would read 12:15 because we are in the 12th hour. A quarter past means only 15 minutes has passed the hour, since 15 is a quarter of 60 minutes. Now that you have learned how to read quarter past times, let's practice reading the times on clock coming up. So we can see the minute hand is pointing at the number 3. So it is quarter past something. In the picture we see, the hour hand is just past 11. So that means it is quarter past 11 o'clock or 11:15. Let's go for next example. We see the minute hand is pointing at the number 3 and hour hand just past the number 8. So it is quarter past 8 or 8:15. Let's practice more.
It is quarter past 5 or 5:15.
Very good.
Telling the time. 1:45. This is an analog clock and it has two hands. The long hand is minute hand and short hand is hour hand.
When to minute hand pointing at number 9 on an analog clock, we say it is 1:45. Because there is only a quarter of an hour left until we reach the next hour. If you look at the hour hand, it is almost at the number 2. This means that it is 1:45. Because there is a quarter of an hour left until it is 2 o'clock. On a digital clock, it would read 1:45. Because we are still in the 1 hour, and when the minutes hand is pointing at the number 9, it means that 45 minutes has passed the hour. Which also means there is only a quarter of an hour left until the next hour. Now that you have learned how to read quarter to times, let's practice reading the times on the clock coming up. As we see, the minute hand is pointing number 9 and the hour hand almost at the number 6. So you can say it 5:45 or 5:45 o'clock. Go for next example. Now the times on the analog clock is 6:45 or 6:45. Good.
Telling the time, to the minute. We know analog clock has two hands. Remember, the long hand is called minute hand and the shorter hand is hour hand. Before star, let's remember, 60 minutes equals 1 hour, 30 minutes equals half an hour, 15 minutes equals a quarter hour. In this videos, we are going to learn how to read time on an analog clock to the minute. To do this, we need a different clock face. You will see that this new clock face has the 4 little lines in between the numbers. Each line on the clock face, including the ones with the numbers, represents 1 minute. There are 60 lines on the clock face, because there are 60 minutes in an hour. Notice that there are 4 little lines in between each number on the clock face. This means that we can count by increments of 5 minutes. Each time reach one of the numbers on the clock face. Keep in the mind when the minute hand reaches the 12, the minutes will start back at 0 as the beginning of a new hour. Let's start reading time to the minute. What is the time?
It is 3:05.
What is the time?
It is 10:35.
Thanks for watching.
Subscribe